वेलकम दोस्तों जो स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर की सीरीज है जो मैं आप लोगों के लिए बना रहा हूँ, इसका ये सीरीज नंबर 6 है। इसमें भी दो लार्ज कैप, दो मिड कैप और दो स्मॉल कैप शेयर है। तो दोस्तों सबसे पहले हम दो लार्ज कैप शेयर देखते हैं। इसमें फर्स्ट लार्ज कैप शेयर है LIC ऑफ इंडिया। लाइफ इंश्योरेंस का काम है, कोर बिजनेस। ये लार्ज कैप कंपनी है। 5.4 लाख करोड़ इसका मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन है। वेयर एज इसकी डिविडेंड यील्ड 1.5 है। Promoter holding is 96.5%, mutual fund is 1.5%, DII and FII are zero, other investors are only 0.5%, retailer are 1.5%. Now current price of this company is 861, all time high is 1222, 52 high is 980, 52 low is 750, down from all time high is 30% almost, down from 52 high is 12%, up from 52 low is 20%. P of this company is 11 and gain from listing is currently it is negative, but it is a good company. We can rely on this company because dividend yield is also very good. Now next company is Maruti. It is a car manufacturer company, largest car manufacturer of India. Market capitalization of this company is 5.3 lakh crore. Dividend yield is 1%. Promoter holding is 58. Mutual fund is 14.5. DII is 8%. FII is 16%. Other parties 1%. Retailer are 2.5%. The current price of this company is 16,970. All-time high is 16,999. 52-week high is also 16,999. 52-week low is 11,060 only. Now down from all-time high is zero. Down from 52-week high is almost zero. And up from 52-week low is 53%. So P of this company is 36. Gain from listing. Total gain, dividend yield, stock split, a bonus of share is not included in this gain from listing. It is 2036%. Now let us go to two mid cap company of today's series. That is PGHH. PGHH is Fame Care and Healthcare Business Company. It is a mid-cap company having market capitalization of 0.41 lakh crore. Dividend yield is 1.5. Promoter holding is 97%. Mutual fund is 9%. DII is 7%. FII is 1%. Other parties are 3%. Retailer are 9.5%. Current price of this company is 12898. All-time high is 19250. 52-week high is 14964. 52-week low is 12,105. So it is 33% down from all-time high, and it is 14% down from 52-week high. It is 6.5% up from 52-week low. Now current PE of company is 51% and gain from listing is 1412. But dividend, stock split and bonus are not included in this gain. So it is not listing gain, it is gain from listing, which we get. I had hooked this data from Ticker Tape. Now we'll go to other second mid cap company of today's series number 6. That is KEI Industry. It is a power cable manufacturer industry. It is market capitalization of this company is also 0.43 lakh crore. Dividend yield is zero. Promoter is 35%. Mutual fund is 25. DII is 2. FII is 26%. Other parties are 3% and retailer are 9%. Current price of this company is 4510. All time high is 5040. 52-week high is 4582 and 52-week low is 2424. Down from all time high is 10.5%. Down from 52-week high is only 1.5% and up from 52-week low is 86%. PE of this company is 54 and gain from listing is 7607%. Now we'll go to our two small cap companies of today's series number 6. That is Zydus Wellness. It is a health and wellness product manufacturing company. It is a small cap company having market capitalization of 0.15 lakh crore. Dividend yield is also 0.25 only. Promoter is here in this company. Promoter holding is 70%. Mutual fund is 18%. DII is 0.5%. FII is 3.5%. Other parties are 2.5, retailer are 5%. Current price of this company is 470. All time high is 531. 52-week high is also 531 and 52-week low is 298. So down from all time high is 11.5, down from 52-week high is 11.5 and up from 52-week low is 57%. PE of this company is 59, gain from listing is 1075. Now we'll go to our second small cap company of today's series number 6, and market capitalization of this company is 0.13 lakh crore. It is Aarti Industry. It is a specialty chemical manufacturing company. Dividend yield is only 0.25%. Promoter holding is 43. Mutual fund is 10. DII is 8. FII is 6.5. Other parties are 13%. Retailer are 20%. Current price of this company is 377. All time high is 1168. 52-week high is 495. 52-week low is 344. Down from all time high is 67%. Down from 52-week high is 23%. Up from 52-week low is 10%. And PE is 47. Gain from listing is 21,815. So this is our uh, series number 6. And in this series we had gone through data of two small, two large, and two mid cap company. If you if you want to invest, you should do your own study before investing. So thank you very much. Please subscribe and share.